is Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. I am sending my trusted lieutenant, Bumblebee, to keep you safe while I am gone. Now is your chance to step forward and pledge yourself to the Autobots.